Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to add the following mixed fractions. So the fractions are 13, 20 upon 23 plus 2, 6 upon 23. Now before we can proceed, at first we have to convert the mixed fractions into their respective improper fractions. So 13, 20 upon 23 can be written as 13 multiplied by 23 plus 20 upon 23 and 2 6 upon 23 can be written as 2 multiplied by 23 plus 6 upon 23. So let's write it in their improper fraction form. So 13 multiplied by 23 plus 20 upon 23 plus 2 multiplied by 23 plus 6 upon 23. Now since both of these fractions have 23 as their denominator, so their LCM will also be equals 23. So in the denominator we are going to have 23 and in the numerator we are going to have 13 multiplied by 23 plus 20, which will comes out to be 13 multiplied by 23 plus 20, which is 319. And from over here we will have 23 multiplied by 2, which is 46, I guess. Yeah, 46, and plus 6, which will be equals 52. So 52 plus 319 will give us 371. So we will have 371 upon 23, and this will be our final required answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.